Marikina City. Hi, I'm Shara Ongtangco Vasquez.
I'm Christine Vives Studio.
And I'm Leo Talagid Cabrito.
I'm IBE Alamo. I'm Leonard Padernos Olaires Padernos.
And we are here at
Marikina Polytechnic College.
Here in our documentation, we will tell you the most visited and most famous places here in Marikina City. So come and let's enjoy our documentation.
Hi ate, what do you think is the most beautiful place here in Marikina?
Freedom Park.
Why do you think?
Because enjoying, relaxing, then tapos na siya sa school natin.
Thank you. Galing mo po. Hindi kasi nila ako.
Love na naman ate. Can I ask you a question? What do you think is the most beautiful place here in Marikina City?
Para sa akin po yung Freedom Park. Kasi po, pwede kang mag-relax dito tapos iba't ibang klase ng tao makikita mo sa paligid, yung nag-uusap, mga magsota, nag-enjoy.
Ma'am, for you, what is the most beautiful place here in Manila? I think Freedom Park.
Why do you think so?
Freedom. Diba freedom? People here. Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, what do you think is the most beautiful place here in Marikina?
I think it's riverbank
Why do you say so, sir?
because we have mall, we have wedding countries, syempre. So, malawak yung kanyang lugar. Tapos yung aura niya comfortable, relaxation, gano'n. Nakaka-relax pagka umupo ka sa may mga sitting area, gano'n. Tapos marami doon mga foods. Tapos kung gusto mo magpalamig, siyempre, ang lapit lang ng mall. Yun.
Thank you so much, sir. Salamat po.
Okay lang.
1, 2, go!
I think here, Sports Center. There's a lot of things here, like jogging place, oval, then many people came here for like
So, good morning po. Can I ask you some or a specific question? What do you think po the most beautiful place here in Marikina City?
Kahit ito, Marikina Sports Center.
What do you think? Or what do you say?
Kasi maraming pwedeng gawin, tapos parang peaceful. Tapos lalo na pag may mga birds pa dyan, parang ganda lang ako.
Thank you po.
here we are, ma'am. May I ask you something, ma'am, about what do you think was the most beautiful place here?
Siguro yung riverbanks kasi
parang pwedeng pumunta din yung family, mag-picnic, ganyan. Tapos pag may kunyari, events, maraming mga playgrounds, so pwedeng pag-gano'n.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you po.
Sir, can I ask you something po? What do you think is the most beautiful place here in Marikina?
Para sa akin yung river parks. Kasi natutuwa ako doon sa ganda ng parang medyo nakakano. Tapos isa pa yung mga bangkado. Tsaka yung kapag Pasko yung champion. Usually nakakamura ako tsaka nakakapit ako ng mga gamit.
Good afternoon po. Can I ask a question? What do you think is the most beautiful place here at Marikina City? What do you say so?
Kaya ang ganda mo ngayon, tanawin, saka yung maliit. Maganda pa ang kanibang namin.
Hi Ate, can I ask you a question? What do you think is the most beautiful place here in Marikina?
Sports Center.
Why do you say so?
Kasi madami kang pwedeng gawin sa sports center katulad ng mag-exercise, tapos pwede ka rin mag-conduct ng event doon. Tapos pag may event, pwede ka rin manood. Tapos minsan yung mga naglalaro ng mga sports, tulad ng basketball, volleyball, pwedeng tumambay ka doon, tapos manood ka. Maaaliw ka.
Thank you Ate.
In our most beautiful places here in Marikina City, lots of people include Freedom Park, in which lots of Marikina Polytechnic College students come here often. Sometimes there are also students coming from different schools like Santa Elena High School, Marikina Science High School, and ITPI. In Freedom Park, you can see the municipality of Marikina City, the Marikina Polytechnic College, and also the Defenders of Bataan and Corregidor. Also in Freedom Park, lots of people find it exciting, enjoying, and relaxing. For there are lots of trees that can be seen here in Freedom Park. This is also called sometimes the center of the Shoe Avenue and the Sports Center. For most people come here often to eat and to relax. We interviewed lots of students, people, and or members of the community in different walks of life. They always say that Freedom Park is a relaxing and enjoying place.
Okay na yun?
And now, we are here in one of the most popular places here in Marikina, the Marikina Sports Center, which is also nominated and one of the most beautiful places here in Marikina City. In Sports Center, as you can see, there are lots of tracks and fields, and lots of people come here often to spend their vacation with their family. There are basketball fields, football fields, tennis, running, swimming. There is also a swimming pool here in Marikina Sports Center. In Marikina Sports Center, also in Marikina Sports Center, there are lots of events held in here. Lots of prominent people and famous people also come here to celebrate with other people. Also, Marikina Polytechnic College students come here also to spend their, to pass or to fill their time. In Sports Center, lots of people told us that they considered Marikina Sports Center as one of the famous and most beautiful places here in Marikina City.
Hi, good afternoon. We're here in Marikina River, wherein we can see the river of Marikina, and it is also called as Marikina River Park, because there is playground here wherein children can play during afternoon, or if the classes if their classes has ended. There's also a basketball wherein teens, adults can able to play basketballs, especially if they want to practice for their school intramurals or school competition. And then below the bridge is the indication of sea level, wherein during typhoons, we can use that as a basis if the resident of Marikina is needed to go in the evacuation area. And also, students, families can also have picnics here, especially during special occasions like birthdays, monthsaries of loved ones, or anniversaries. If also students during leisure time, especially if they want to spend their long vacant, they can go here and spend their time chit-chatting, playing with their classmates, and also students like elementary grader children, after their class, they are able to go here. And then there is also bikings here, wherein they will rent a bike for an hour for 50 pesos, and then return after an hour. And also, parents with children, during morning, especially if it's 8 o'clock, they can go here and stroll their babies for their health. And also, in school, if they have an activity, they can practice here for their performance, dance performance, acting performance, and especially there are certain cinemas or movies that was shooted here in the White Temple or in the Red Temple. And also, with children or teenage girls or boys, they can stroll here because of the fresh air, for the good scene for selfies. Good evening, and last but definitely not the least is the Marikina River. It is a mall wherein you can find high standard jewelries, accessories with branded clothing, shoes, and during Christmas, during December, there is a Changi outside this mall wherein you can buy clothing at the low price.
Also, here in Marikina Riverbanks or mall, you can see that some events happen here, most especially outside, because Girl Scouts and Boy Scouts happen there, and also fireworks displays, bands, and lots of activities happen here.
A fashion show.
As you look all over the place or all over the mall, the whole place is secured. And also there are lots of clothing lines. Branded, famous clothing lines here in the Philippines. That's why lots of students like us, and also lots of students coming from different schools come here often to have time with their barcadas, with their friends. Also, parents, children spend a lot of time here to, have some quality time with themselves and eat like in Belgian waffles, eat in different
The GB shoes, everyone shoes.
yeah, they have TV shows which is branded
Fashion
line.
gallery, and then
They also have the Dampa there affordable and delicious. Also, you can also see there the river in which a while ago we are. As of now, we're here to see the people, why they come here, why they go here often. And the number one reason is that it is an air-conditioned area.
You can cool, you can calm down, yeah.
Rest yourselves. If you have a lot of hard times in schools or in your family, you actually chill.
Hang out with your friends, with your barcadas, especially if there's a band during nighttime. You can relax. You can feel the sceneries. Yes.
And also sometimes lots of artists do their emotions here, right? Like as we go here last month, I guess, Juan Carlos Labajo was here. He was featured here. So those students who have a crush on him or is having a league with him is also here to see him.
I think our barcadas is waiting for us. I'm craving for food.
Yeah, so that's it. This is Marikina River Bank.